Welcome to Shrimad Home Remedies, and I'll tell you home remedies to reduce gum swelling. Now, swelling of gums is a common problem. The tissue that forms the gum is thick, fibrous, and full of blood vessels. Hence, when there is swelling, the gums may protrude or bulge out and appear red instead of the normal pink. This can cause the gums to become irritative, sensitive, and even painful. The gums also may bleed more easily when brushing or flushing your teeth. Gum swelling can be due to a number of issues such as gingivitis, infection, nutritional deficiencies, or pregnancies. Now, other common causes include poorly fitting dentures or other dental appliances, excessive smoking or use of other tobacco products, sensitivity to toothpaste or mouthwash, an injury or incorrect brushing or flushing techniques. Now, I'll come to the conclusion and the home remedies. So, first thing is warm and cold compresses. Warm and cold compresses can provide quick relief for swollen gums as they help reduce pain and swelling. You need to hold the compressors against your face, not directly on the swollen gums. So what you have to do? Soak a clean cloth in warm water and wring out the excess liquid. Hold the cloth against your face for 5 minutes. Next, wrap a bag of frozen peas in a thin towel and hold it against your face until the area becomes slightly numb. Repeat the cycle 2 or 3 more times. Use this remedy as needed. Now, the second option is salt water. Salt is another effective remedy for swollen gums. It inhibits growth of bacteria in the mouth and prevents infections that may contribute to several oral health issues. After brushing your teeth with a soft bristle toothbrush, gently rub your gums with salt for a few seconds. Rinse it off with warm water. Do this daily. After gums are healthy again, do this 3 times a week to prevent recurrence. Then, another option is to add half to 1 teaspoon of salt to a glass of lukewarm water and use it to rinse your mouth twice daily until the swelling subsides. Now, the third option is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can also help reduce gum inflammation and pain. It can even help kill germs and fight oral problems. For oral health, use food grade 3% hydrogen peroxide solution only. Now, how to make the preparation? Mix equal parts of 3% hydrogen peroxide solution and water. Switch the solution around your gums and teeth for 30 seconds. Rinse it off with warm water. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Rub this paste on your gum. Wait 1 minute and then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Now, turmeric. Turmeric is also a good home remedy for swollen gums. It contains curcumin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation. In addition, it prevents the spread of bacterial activity that causes several oral problems. Now, how you can prepare it? Mix 1/4 of teaspoon of turmeric powder with a little water to make a paste. Apply this paste on gums with your clean finger. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Then massage gently for 1 minute. Rinse your mouth with warm water. Repeat twice daily for 1 to 2 weeks. Now, black tea bags. Black tea bags have tannins that can help reduce inflammation of the gums. In addition, its antioxidant properties promote good oral health. Now, how you can do it? Steep a tea bag in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove it and allow it to cool to a bearable temperature. Hold the tea bag on the affected area of your gums for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your mouth with warm salt water solution. Repeat once daily for a few days. Now, with aloe vera. Another effective remedy to treat swollen and bleeding gums is aloe vera. This herb has anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial properties that can prevent the growth of plaque causing bacteria in the mouth and soothe inflamed gums. Now cut open an aloe vera leaf to get the Gel. With your clean finger, rub the gel on the gums. Gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Now repeat a few times daily for 1 or 2 weeks and you will see the improvement. Now tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties that can provide quick relief from irritated and inflamed gums. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil in a glass of warm water. Use it as a mouthwash daily. Brush your teeth with toothpaste containing tea tree oil as the main ingredient to ease discomfort. Now, while pulling. Whether it is inflamed gums or any other dental problem, while pulling is a good way to prevent oral health issues. This age-old Ayurvedic practice helps reduce growth of bacteria in the mouth that causes infection. It even prevents plaque formation and strengthens the gums. Put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in your mouth. Swish the oil around your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes like this. Spit out the oil, then rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water. And finally, brush your teeth. Do this daily in the morning before brushing your teeth. Now, vitamin D. If you often have swollen gums, increase your intake of vitamin D to relieve the problem. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and prevent it from recurring. Vitamin D also helps the body make full use of calcium from your diet, thus improving periodontal health and increasing bone mineral density. Now, proper nutrition. Proper and balanced nutrition is essential for healthy gums and teeth. Make sure you get adequate amounts of calcium, vitamin C, and folic acid from a diet to prevent swollen gums. Deficiency of any of these nutrients can cause inflamed gums. Eat vitamin C rich foods such as oranges, strawberries, kiwi, pineapple, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Eat calcium rich foods such as dairy products, sardines, tofu, salmon, soya milk, cereals and collard greens. Eat foods with high levels of folic acid such as dark leafy green, broccoli, asparagus, peas, beans, lentils and avocados. And I'll want to give you some additional tips also to take care of your teeth and gums. Brush and floss regularly, especially after meals. Avoid brushing too roughly as it may irritate your gums. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months and use only soft-bristled toothbrush. Avoid very hot or very cold food beverages. Avoid tobacco products and alcohol as they can exacerbate the swelling. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stimulate the production of salvia, which naturally helps kill bacteria. Reduce stress as it may worsen your condition. Visit your dentist at least once every 6 months for checkups. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Shrimad Home Remedies and give your comment.